Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import a 3D model in Autodesk 3ds Max. All right, so first up, go ahead and grab your browser and then just find your 3D model, okay? For example, we're going to download, you have here multiple websites that offers free 3D models. Just for example, let's say I'm going to download this poly tree right here. I'm going to click on it, click on download, click on the file, save it wherever you want, okay? Now you can open up the folder, extract it, extract files, give a new folder, poly tree, hit on OK. Now, once that's done, just click on File right here at the top left, click on Import. Now we have two options, Import and Merge. Okay, so let's say Import. Click on Desktop. As we have saved the file right here, we have low poly tree. Click on it, double click, and here we have 3 file extensions. Or you can go ahead and click on Merge, Desktop, poly tree. As you can see here, we have the max file. Okay, so click on Open, Default or All if you have multiple, and then hit on OK. And here we have it. That's how simple it is to import a 3D model in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.